Welcome to Global Elevator Academy. We are world's first integrated elevator learning platform and elevator training institute. We have our head office in Singapore and branches in Malaysia, India and USA. It is a well-known fact that there is a huge shortage of skilled and trained people in elevator industry, and lack of any formal training opportunities creates further barriers. We are on a mission to provide learning anytime, anywhere and help everyone, especially for small and medium elevator enterprises. We help them to unlock their true value and achieve greater success by training. We provide simple, almost free technology tools. This help to reduce indirect cost up to 50% and direct cost up to 30%. This help to improve net profit margin up to 15%. Elevate Your Elevator Skills is a program initiated by us and designed to meet our mission to train over 1 million elevator professionals. We shall have lots of videos. It is very important that elevator technical and non-technical people enhance their skill and knowledge by continuous learning. The quality of training determines the safety of people who use these elevators. Our trainers are experts in their field with long years of experience. They shall deliver a super engaging learning experience. We prepare future generations of elevator technicians. Our training modules allow new people to learn skills and trade tips to work safely on elevators. Come join hands with us and let's build the future of elevator industry together. Let's see the answers to some of frequently asked questions now. What kind of training courses are available? We mainly provide two types of training courses on elevators, namely technical and non-technical. What are the benefits for these training courses? High profits for company, smooth business operation, happy customers, reduce cost and overheads, get better job with higher salary, high productivity with much less re-work, improved quality and safety. You can also get your skill certified. Your company management shall be happy. What is the duration of courses? Duration of courses shall depend upon requirement of course, student qualifications and need. Do you provide a certificate after training? Yes, a certificate shall be available for all the students who complete the course and pass test with at least 85% marks. What are pre-qualifications to join the courses? Minimum age 20 years with good health. Can read, write, speak and understand simple basic English, and having technical aptitude shall be an asset. Some other pre-qualifications may be applicable for higher level 3 and 4 courses like graduate engineer with minimum 1 year experience in elevator industry, or diploma engineer with minimum 2 years experience in elevator industry, or ITI with minimum 3 years experience in elevator industry. They should also have good knowledge of elevator mechanical and electrical installation process. Is there any job guarantee available? While job guarantee cannot be given for regular training courses, our experience shows that many of the students who complete the course and pass the skill test after the course with at least 85% marks get a job easily. However, we have a special training program with 100% job guarantee. Please contact our team if you wish to join a training course with 100% job guarantee. Does it help as I have B or B Tech or diploma or ITI qualifications? Technical qualifications and prior experience can never be undermined and certainly help in learning faster. What are the technical training and courses available? Technical training is divided into 4 levels and there are over 34 courses. Level 1, which is basic entry level, has about 7 courses. Level 2, which is technician level, has about 13 courses. Level 3, which is advanced level, has 10 courses. Level 4, which is expert level, has about 4 courses. What are the non-technical training and courses available? There are 24 courses available currently in 5 non-technical segments. Marketing and sales, which have 5 courses. Formation of elevator company, which have 5 courses. Job, interview, salary and promotion, which have 6 courses. Process and systems, which have 4 courses. Finance and accounts, which have 4 courses. What are skill certification services? This is a flagship service from Global Elevator Academy. There is possibility that you may know the elevator work but do not have a certificate. You can get the certificate now. You need to pass a skill test. A certificate shall be available who pass the skill test with at least 85% marks. What kind of certificates are available? There are 3 types of certificates available: yellow, green and pink. Please contact our team if you need any further information. Thank you for your time.